How to fix the USB connection selection mode is not displayed in Android. So if you want to fix the USB connection section mode is not displayed in your Android, then what you need to do is first connect your USB with your computer or your laptop. Once you've connected, you will get this kind of interface, which is charging this device via USB. You can tap on it, and then you can go with more options, and then you can tap on file transfer or USB tethering or anything that you're comfortable with. But if you're not getting this option, then what you need to do is just go with your settings. Under settings, you need to go with USB. If you don't find the option right here, go with the search, which is on the upper right, and you'll have an option of USB. Just search for USB. Once you've searched here, you will have the option of default USB configuration. Tap on that option. Once you tap on it, again tap on the option, and here you will get the option right here. So you just need to simply go with file transfer or USB tethering, MIDI, PTP, or anything. So that's how you can find the USB connection selection mode. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.